of course, they would be dropping NMIXX teasers here and there when I'm not at home, right? So I can't watch it at the same time as you guys. But like for context, I had events this weekend. It will also happen like this coming weekend as well. So in terms of like content wise, I'll try to upload as much as I can. But I'm currently running at 0 hours of sleep also right now. But I think what's important is that here we have, I didn't expect this one right here actually last night. We have NMIXX docking station declaration. I'm assuming it's like one of their comeback storylines, similar to what they did with their debut song, right? They had a new frontier declaration of some sort. So we'll definitely check this one out. I have no idea what to expect right here, but it's NMIXX. We have mix pop. You have to expect multiple surprises with this group right here, and you also have to use your brain. But yeah, let's go. This one's English, right? Yeah, okay. We're going animated adventures.
모험은 위험으로 향하고 있다.
Okay. I might rewatch this multiple times.
우리는 새로운 가능성을 따라 현실 세계 필드에서 새로운 세계 믹스로 걸어갔다.
This is from the thing that, right?
혼자라면 아마 못했을 것이다.
Okay. So we have this too. That was from
그동안
002,
새로운 친구들을
right?
많이 만났다. 사자와 고래, 해파리, 그리고 고양이들까지.
Okay, cats, like a reference to
우리는
what,
금세
dice?
친해졌고 우리의 발걸음마다 피어난 수많은 감정의 조각들을 수집하며 앞으로 나아갔다.
That's 7, right, bro? The one gem was... Yo, what is this?
상상만큼 계속해서 커지고 있다.
It's Hey1 also,
이대로
right? Hey1.
믹스토피아까지 가면 우리가 원하는 모든 것이 공존하게 되는 것일까?
Yo, I got distracted by the diamonds. I can't follow. I'll rewatch this.
지나치게 달콤한 초록빛의 무언가가 우리를 계속 현혹하고 방해하고 있는 걸.
Okay, we have the donut shop and then the beads
우리의 다양한 상상을 멈추게
from
한다.
base ending credit scene.
존재를 부정당한 사람들은 모험 대신 0과 1의 미로
Stay in
속에
the maze of
남아있기를
zeros
원한다.
and ones. That was part of one of their lyrics.
두려울 때마다 옆 사람의 손을 잡는다. 우리가 서로 연결된 느낌이 든다.
Of course, it's
나는
6.
너로 인해, 너는 나로 인해 더욱 나다워지고 너다워진다.
I might rewatch this not just twice, thrice, maybe even
후회되지
more.
않게 더 많이 믹스되고 싶다.
When it feels lonely in the planet.
이제 네가 눈을 뜰 차례야.
Maybe that's why Hey1 was... Right? Maybe that's why... If you guys follow them on Weverse, was it Weverse or VLive? One of those streaming platforms. Right? And just for asking Hey1 for a comeback spoiler, maybe this was the heart that she was referring to. Right? Because she showed like this one right here. And if you like put here, it fits. Anyway, yeah, I feel like... What do I feel like, bro? Right now, I was extremely distracted by this scene right here. And even this, right? The thing right here. Yeah, this is Lily. This is Kyujin. This one's Bei. This one is Jiwoo, Solyeon, and this one is Haewon. Right? So you know what's up. It was their scene from the second verse in OO, right? Especially the footsteps right here. It was Lily, if I'm not wrong, if I remember correctly, when she stepped outside of that donut shop, flowers just bloomed the hell out of that place right there. But let's rewatch this later multiple times. I was shocked by this one right here, especially the scene, right? I was counting in my head. It's 7, right? I'm not tripping out. And then one bead, one stone, one gem, whatever this is being taken away. And we have some like water droplets, bro. What do you mean?
감정의 조각들을 수집하며 앞으로 나아갔다.
Yeah. After that, I lost track of whatever Haewon was saying, bro. I lost track of it. And
믹스는 우리의 상상만큼 계속해서 커지.
Okay, you know what? Let's run this back. But you know what I'm thinking right now is, again, with the way Squad did the songs of like NMIXX, right? They already foresaw what's the right English there, right? But they already saw it coming, right? That initially people would complain, would hate, would bash. Yo, what is this, bro? right? Or hate or bash their debut song, right? But if you really dive into like deeply into the meaning and everything, they're just saying there in their OO song that, hey, this is our introductory song. This is our teaser. We're making our debut song a teaser, which is really different from all the groups right there. That's why they've got the backlash right now, right? And then they continued on with the dice. And the dice says that, take a chance with us, right? Roll the dice with us. Join us in this adventure. Come, hop in, join in. Let's go with NMIXX, right? So right now, what do we want? Maybe we will be experiencing something in the lines of, when we say yes to NMIXX, which I already did since the beginning. I don't know about you guys, but hop in if you like, right? But I feel like the song that we will have for this comeback will be more on exploring the world of NMIXX, right? If you just look at the storyline of their songs, right? Even if you look at the way Tank was inserted, right? What else was there? Tank, Cool too, right? Tank was more on them, the first two songs that they had, right? OO was the introductory song, and then Tank was the supplementary for their intro song to supplement that strength, like their tanks, right? Trying to enter this industry, not just because they will be monsters in general, but more on the mindset that maybe the team already foresaw what the group will get, right? Based on the risk that they're taking with their debut song, right? But when you jump into what is this song? Cool, right? Cool. If you look at Dice the song, right? It's taking chance with this group, right? But also Cool is like a reminder of us trying to be being cool, right? Having that patience, right? To be part of this journey, because this journey with NMIXX will be a rough ride. And I've said this in my previous videos before that, NMIXX is like one of those acquired taste, right? Like for example, I hated Bitter Gore before, but now I love it, right? In that kind of way, right? That initially you would be like, do I really like this? Or it can even be like, I hate this song, I hate this group, right? But eventually, when you really dive into it deeply, when you get to know these members, when you get to know all their, this and that, right? You will love this group right here. So now, you know what? Let's check this out one more time, two more times, three more times. I'm gonna be doing a lot of shit right here. This is why I love NMIXX, because aside from they're all talented people, they make you think with their songs, with their promos and everything, right? It's all connected. Let's go. Yo, what is this
모험은 자유로
shit right
행한다.
here in my glasses? Adventure ahead. Haewon was like, no, this was Haewon, right? Look, oh, Jesus Christ. This
모험은 자유로 행한다.
yeah, adventure heads towards freedom. Then she was like,
아니,
no,
모험은 위험으로 향하고 있다.
adventure is heading towards danger. You know why? Because when you're going in an adventure, right, you have no idea what to expect, right? Because you're going on an adventure in something. Usually you go on an adventure in some places that you've never discovered, right? That's why it's an adventure, right? Exploring the unexplored. Okay, for here we have docking station declaration. Docking station, like what more on the sea, maybe, right? In the sea, docking station. Okay.
우리는 새로운 가능성을 따라
Following new possibilities, we walk from the real world. Okay, here we go, right? Here we go. Real world field. This was from their opening, not their opening, but this was once they stepped out of that donut shop. Was it Lily? Or you know what? Let's open the music videos later. Just cause. Right? Anyway, when they stepped out of that shop right there, that's their like new field. Because that's when they started flying. Right? They were introduced into Mixtopia. right? The world full of they started flying and shit, right? Bay was a superhero in that scene. But you get my point, right? This is the field that they're referring to. Hay원's referring to as the narrator.
세계 필드에서 새로운 세계
To
믹스
the new world mix, the Mixtopia. The Mixtopia, apparently, I didn't know if they really had that idea in mind or it was us fans who just pushed that idea and they eventually used it. But anyway,
걸어갔다.
no, not complaining.
혼자라면
Yeah, okay, here we go with this scene right here, right? Where is that? Was it this one? Or was it this? No, I think this is no. Was it this one? Anyway, because I have the photo cards somewhere here, right? And you know why? It's kind of the scene right here is making me think. You know what? Let's just open the music video first. Or is it? Was this the yeah, it's the one they're wearing right now. Right? Yeah, this is it. You see, that's why. Now this is giving me goosebumps right now. You know why? Because if you look at the color scheme, right? Because I know, right? I've been collecting their photo cards. I've been checking them out since day one. Look at the colors of Ginny right here and the circle right here, bro. Tell me that is not the color scheme of this outfit right here. What is this, bro? I'm kind of annoyed with, like, I swear to God, bro. There's something like a, I don't know, cobweb or something. It's really annoying. Anyway, right? She transformed from this blue and white outfit. She went from the blue, yellow, and something, and this is the color scheme right here. Right? So, I don't know with Squad if they're toying with us or not, but I hope they're not. Right? Like, I hope that that incident didn't happen just for the sake of marketing purposes, because I would be pissed, right? But maybe they're just good with trying to connect the remaining dots, trying to tie the knots properly, just so that everything will still have like a seamless flow, right? But you tell me, guys, you tell me. Color scheme wise, we got the blue, the pink, the yellow right here. Can we have like a close-up shot of Jenny right here? Where is Jenny? That's a different outfit. You get the point, right? You get the point. Anyway, right? Again. So maybe what? She went first. She went into that world, right? And now she's all happy and whatnot. But you know, this is the next steps for NMIXX. Will be exploring this as a group, and it also making it I can't help but, you know, not think about, like, you know, NMIXX entering, you know, this new world, but still Jinny still being there, right? In spirit, maybe.
아마 못했을 것이다.
Couldn't have been possible on our own. That's why they've got there. Look at this Haewon Bay interaction right here of holding hands, similar to the painting, right? Or I'm just, this is a far reach. Never mind. And of course, you know, Sulyeon will be the first one to reach out to that color scheme. You know why? Because you should know why. Domino, right? We have Domino right here. From Dice. Or no. Oh, right? The falling dominoes. Wherein like Kyujin started breaking down and running. Right? And then we also have the ship right here. The ship is like what? The first scene of that Hook. Look at that moving eye. They had the ship in the background, right? We met a lot of new friends along the way. Okay.
사자와 고래,
Lion, whale, jellyfish. Okay, jellyfish I've seen. I can't remember like some lion scenes. Right? Do I? maybe I do, but right now, no. Jellyfish, yes, definitely. The cat
고양이들까지.
eyes, of course, is just recent, right? Okay.
는 금세 친해졌고
This
우리의
one,
발걸음마다 피어난 수많은 감정의 조각.
yeah, okay. So this one right here, if you know the Disney movie, fuck, I forgot the name, bro. The emotions movie, right? With the sadness, with the anger. It's like this is their version of that, right? Collecting the pieces of emotion that bloomed with each of us, our steps. There's no way this is not the representative of the 7 members they begin with, right? They began with, right? And then again, I don't know if this was originally part of the thing of NMIXX, right? Because again, with Squad, you know everything was already pre-planned way before, right? Everything should be connected at some point, right? I already realized that when they had the OO and the dice afterwards, right? And now here again, definitely connection. But this one right here, the scene of getting that thing out, right? Then there's some like water droplets, tears. I don't know. Was it intentional? Was it there originally? We'll never know. Let's
앞으로
go.
나아갔다.
And just me, shouting out my thoughts.
믹스는 우리의 상상만큼
Mix is growing as big as our imagination. The fandom, right? The fandom, their creativity as a group, right? Multiple
계속 커지고 있다.
genres,
이대로
imaginations,
믹스토피아까지
whatever.
가면
If we reach Mixtopia like this, will everything we want coexist? Okay.
우리가 원하는 모든 것이 공존하게 되는 것일까?
And this scene, I've definitely like seen this in Dice, right? When they were like trapped in those like 1x1 boxes.
아닐지도 몰라. 지나치게 달콤한 초록빛의 무언가가
Something green and overly sweet, like the donut shop, is deceiving us and getting in our way. Okay, so maybe temptations, right? Something green, I don't know about that, but yeah. You see these pearls right here. You know what? Let's just open Dice now that we're here. Right. This is the ending scene of Bay. Yeah, this one right here, but it's colored green now. It used to be yellow. So, there's the jellyfish. Okay. So here it's yellow, but there's green behind her. And she dropped it. Right? So maybe it's a way of them saying it got contaminated of some evil energy. Because right now, we have it all green. Right? We have it all green instead of yellow. Right? And something green is deceiving them. Right? Not yellow anymore. Green. And right here, okay. This one right here, I mean, the scene is their backdrop for their steps, right? But this also is the scene of Jiwoo. So we have two ending credit scenes here, right? Matching up together, right? This yellow thing and this minus Jiwoo, right? But everything's in green now. So we're seeing maybe we're entering the world where shit's about to go down, right? No more intro. We're in the real deal right now.
달콤한 것들은 언뜻 좋아 보이지만 오히려 우리의 다양한 상상을 멈추게 한다. 존재를
Okay, you see, this is why I love NMIXX, bro. They make me think, right? The greens can refer to the haters who hated them after their debut song, right? They all loved them when they were debuting. Audition videos one after another, right? Oh, this girl's so good. Oh, this girl's so good. But after that debut song, a lot of people hated them, right? What is this trash song? What is this? What do you even call this a song, right? A lot of people went berserk on this song, on the OO, right? But here, the sweet things seem good, which is what? Popularity, being in the idol life, what? Exposure, right? Of course, but we have to know. I mean, you should know that there's always a drawback. There's always like the good and the bad side of everything.
오히려 우리의
And these haters, these whatever negative shit that's happening around them, sometimes it takes a toll on them. And they've been saying that in their V lives, in their Weverse lives, in their interviews, right? Sometimes they doubt themselves and their bubble as well. They've been ranting that, you know, am I good enough? I'm a good singer, right? This and that. That's why haters, you better shut the fuck up, right? And we have ones and O's here. One of their songs from, what was it? Oh.
존재를 부정당한 사람들은 모험 대신 0과 1의 미로 속에 남아있기를 원한다.
Okay.
미로 속 존재를
People whose existence was denied
사람들은 모험 대신
was denied wish to stay in the maze of zeros and ones rather than take on an adventure.
0과 1의 미로
They're
속에
stuck in that hate train.
남아있기를 원한다.
Okay, this is kind of creepy, bro.
두려울 때마다 옆 사람의 손을 잡는다.
If you know the NMIXX chant before they start doing their performance, the NMIXX, I forgot the Korean term, but it's go crazy, right? And they're doing this. They have these hands in together and they do this, right? Go crazy, right? Imaginations, right? Crazy imaginations. Go free, right? Be creative as much as you want. But also remember that, you know, we're hands in together. We're with each other, right?
우리가 서로 연결된 느낌이 든다. 나는 너로 인해, 너는 나로 인해 더욱 나다워지고
become more myself because of you, and you yourself because of me, right? That's the support system that we all want. And now they're heading towards, once they vault in, they're heading towards that new dimension.
누구도 외롭지 않게 소외되지.
That's why we have like a space kind of thing. So nobody feels lonely or left out. We hope to mix even more. Okay.
많이 믹스되고 싶다.
Heart.
이제 네가 눈을 뜰 차례야.
There's no way, right? You can feel it too. And then when a spectrum, something spectrum. They had a line here. Wake up something, right? I am low-key crying inside right now because I'm just so happy how everything is just, you know, lining up. I felt my tears. Anyway. Awaken your spectrum. Right? Awaken your creativity. It's now your turn to awake. Right? The moment you say, you know, who said that line? Was it Jiwoo or Bae? In DICE, right, to join them, right? Once you join them, I hope that you get to explore their world, right? And not just judge them based on the first few things that they released. Right, oh damn, bro. Everything is just connected.
Yeah.
Where does Funky Glitter Christmas fit in though? Because it's a fucking intermission. Yeah, of course, it's a fucking intermission. Right? They're getting a lot of hate for this mixed pop genre and kind of promoting as a group. But I say F the haters. Continue what you're doing in NMIXX and Squad, but you know, with Squad, I feel like they should step up the reality variety content of NMIXX, right? They have to step that up more. But outside of that, music promotion wise, with storyline wise, I have no complaints. Keep it up. I wonder, I hope that they won't release like the next teasers when I'm out next weekend. Right, so I get to enjoy the moment with you guys. But nonetheless, bro, let me know what other theories that you have right here. But so far, I'm seeing multiple connections from not just their title tracks, their B-sides as well, right? Damn, bro, that cool right here. The Awaken. I'm gonna never respect you, man. Yeah, bro. Cool's one of my favorite songs from them. Anyway, yeah, this is a 24-minute clip for a 2-minute video. I mean, it's NMIXX, bro. If you're not like diving in too deeply, getting to know all the details to them, then you're definitely not looking at them the right way. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next teasers and whatnot. Let's support NMIXX. Let's support Jinny wherever she is. I'll see you guys there. Peace.